new that's coming to the channel. There's some exciting stuff coming. You can see already on the chart that I've drawn in the supply and demand zones for gold. You'll also see that on my profile in on TradingView that there's some currency stuff coming in. I think I've done euro and dollar as well as Australian dollar against the dollar. AUD and then euro. That's also in there. The reason I didn't want to go, so my bot can expand into anything that's a pattern supply and demand zones. It's just a symbol. But the reason I didn't want to go into this direction was because of the amount of scammer energy that's in the forex industry. But my purpose with all of this is to start helping people to transition from forex to crypto, because we are going into a digital whatever 5D type of new world stuff. There I don't see there being fiat currency in that world. These are my opinions and my views, right? So if you're a scammer and you're on this channel, you're at the wrong place, because everything I do is to go against your energy. So just hear me out. Don't try to scam me or all the people on my channel, because this isn't the place to do that. This channel doesn't make money from people. This channel empowers people to make their own money, right? This stuff that's coming, there's no place for you in that place, in that where you're going with your scam energy. Hi, Johan. So to the scammers that are coming, that want to even think about, that see gold and currency pairs coming now in the future, rather skip this channel. Your energy cannot beat this energy. I get a lot of scam messages, guys, lots. And this industry, the forex and gold one, is full of scam energy. I feel it. But anyway, so let's get down to business. This is my new stuff that I'm working on gold. So take it as it is. I'm gonna do my analysis, and then these ideas have been published. There's the idea there. There's a EA update with demand zones, and you can also see the printout of what I'm busy with in there. So just have a look, and always remember one thing: this isn't financial advice. This is about education and assisting with trading. There was a lot of politics, but the thing is, this industry, there's a lot of negative energy in forex and crypto. Oh, my ears are both ringing now. But anyway, so like I was saying in my previous video to Antoinette, I really hope the person joins this live, that we've got this supply zone at 2,670. Now, supply zones belong to the bears, right? We've got an RSI which is basically overbought. There's still some room to go up. So the 2670 level does look realistic. Because of this, we're getting that little bucket thingy that's doing this. So check what it does on 2670. Look if we get some type of profit taking resistance, whatever. Look if we retest this downtrend and maybe form a W or whatever we form up there. But keep in mind that we've got this pitchfork that's coming up here, which is this channel that we are in, right? So we're still bullish in the short term, but I do see a head and shoulders. So there's a smaller head and shoulders that could be forming like that. So we've got this uptrend coming up here in the middle of the channel that we got to keep in mind. So this could be that does that, and then forms the bigger W, and then finishes here at 2840 ish, 2822. I'll have to start up the other system to see what the supply and demand zones are higher than this, but there's nothing that's generated yet. It's new prices, it seems. Yeah, so I would say what I would be looking for is this test of this uptrend, yeah, on these supply zones at that 2670 range and then 2685. Look what the price does there. If you get the rejection, look for the uptrend. What does the uptrend do? And then all the way back down, you'll see that I've added in a lot of supply zones and demand zones for you guys. Important supply, bears, demand, bulls. Is there demand? Yes, there's demand. Yeah, we've run out of supply. It sucks it. And then it goes to the next demand zone, and then the bulls come back in. So check, I mean, that head and shoulders, we've also got the possibility of a breakout above it. That's bullish indication. Check these uptrends coming over here on the what's the name? The pitchforks. Up and up. Yeah, don't be too hasty to look at not financial advice, but I personally wouldn't be too hasty to look for buy opportunities right now. Even though the histogram and the MACD signal, I mean, the histogram is a little bit positive, but the signal looks like it's losing momentum. This could be a fake out, it could be a new demand zone. It looks like a new demand zone that's forming. The only issue I have with this setup is that we didn't retest this demand zone at 2637. So we didn't get that and then a W. It's just going straight up. And I don't see that momentum in the MACD, of the RSI. So the two patterns aren't matching up, and you're at the supply zone, and when that happens, then it evens out in a way. We can go on to the smaller time frames and then see what the pattern is, but it does look like, yeah, we're forming that. There's the W, the cup spills comes down, yeah, possibly retested. We did retest it there. So if we start making lower lows, then look for the head and shoulders to play out. And if we start making higher highs again and not lower lows, then look for this area to 670. If we get supply and we don't reject this uptrend, we come back down and you know what I'm saying? Like it goes and does that and it retests this level, the supply zone, and it turns into a demand zone, and the bulls start taking over, and you see clear patterns of bulls taking over momentum. So just wait for it to play out on those levels. Yeah, so that's about it that I can say for you guys for gold. You've got your levels, you've got your trends, you've got supply zones, demand zones. The only thing I don't have in this chart is like an overall fib. I mean, but we can't really draw an overall fib. We don't have a high set yet. We don't have the highest point set like we've got over here. You see there, we've got highs, new highs, new highs. So we've got nothing to work from there. Morning, everybody. Sorry if I didn't greet everybody. I'm just busy looking at these levels. So yeah, these supply and demand zones are for the day traders. And then, I mean, when I have I'll do a monthly one also, like an overview, and then we'll check which direction it's going, which way the momentum or the energy is flowing. So we'll follow that. Um, I mean, I can quickly do it. It's not the end of the world. Let me show you guys. That's not it. That could be the new channel. 4,000 ish. So we also in this channel, and from what I've seen, it likes to come and retest uptrends. Oh, that's about what I've got, guys. Um, follow this channel. Like I said, there's something really cool coming for. It's for, in my opinion, a humanitarian act. What I'm doing. So I know there's a lot of trading bots out there that are being sold to people, but there's time for that to change. We need to get all of the scammers out of this industry, and the only way we can do that is by empowering individuals. So we teach you to do these things by yourself, guys. You don't really need bots. You can do this on your own. But thanks, guys. Please, follow my channel. There's, like I said, some cool stuff coming. Have a good day, guys. Cheers, Zach.